Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new Lemfo Lem 12. Today we can see what we have in the box of Lem 12 and the specification about it. We're going to test some of the things that we have in the software. Also in the end we're going to see how this smartwatch will work, if it's worth to change from Lem 10 or 11. We are going to see that all in this video, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead now and see what we got in the boxes. You can see it's very simple. We don't have any accessories like we had in the Lem 11. You can see we have the Lemfo social media. We have here Lemfo Lem 12. It says no power bank or black leathers. Let's take this cap off and it reveals immediately the Lem 12. You can see this time the shape is rounded. We have a rounded screen like the Lem 9. But it's much larger. Underneath this box, as you can see, we have here the charger like usual. We have a simple charger with 4 pins and 2 magnets to hold it. We have a screwdriver and 2 screws in case we lose any of them. These are for the SIM card port. In case you lose the screw, you have others to put. We have the operation guideline like usual. You can read that. Just pause the video and you can read all of that. I'm not going to read because it makes some of you boring. You can see in the user manual we have the Chinese language first and then it ends up in English, so it's much usable for all people. As you can see, the Lem 12 here has a camera in the front, 2 buttons in the side, leather bands in the front, and underneath they are rubber. You can see right here the rubber bands underneath and a carbon fiber body. In the back we have the heart rate and sensor reader, the SIM card and the power slot. You can see the camera in the front. This camera is 5 megapixel. We are going to talk a bit about that later. As you can see now it's powering on. We have the Lemfo logo like usual. The system is Android 7.1.1 like in previous smartwatches. Let's wait until the Lemfo is all the way turned on. We can use it and we will see what we have in the software, if we have any changes or not. Now that is powered on, you can see we have the first page, which we can change. Just hold and press and hold. As you can see, in the right side we have another camera, 2 buttons like usual. In the top, or if we swipe down, we have the time, date, percentage of battery. We have the logo of Bluetooth and SIM card. Also we have like the shortcuts, starting from brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, wireless and Bluetooth. We have the cleaner. Next we have the music control and the weather as well. This is the taskbar, or how you want to call it. We have notification on the left, and down we have the average sport including steps, kilometer or distance and burned calories. In the right we have the menu, starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, maps, assistant, app store, system optimization and face unlock, which we will try a bit later. So you can see we have a handful of options in the menu. Let's go ahead and see what we got next. In Lem 12 we have a quad-core CPU that is more faster and stable than previous version, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of RAM. We have Android 7.1.1 as I mentioned before. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and GSM. Also we have 2 cameras that we saw. The front is 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel in the side. The Lem 12 supports 4G and it has really fast face unlock, which we'll try later. The screen is 1.6 inch rounded, which makes the Lem 12 look stunning. We didn't see the Lemfo rounded face from the Lem 9 as I said before. Now let's see how the Lem 12 will work with this screen and these specifics. Now let's try some of the options that we saw in the menu. Let's go ahead straight to the menu. As you can see, the face unlock works perfect and really fast. Let's try the pattern now. You can see both of them works pretty good, and the screen resolution is perfect. Everything is very clear. Let's go down, see what we can try. Let's start with heart rate. Usually the Lemfo takes a couple of seconds to measure our heart rate. Let's see how the Lem 12 will work. And as I said, I expected not so long. Immediately it shows you the measurements. Also it saves the date and time that you did. You can see we have now here sports, outdoor run. You can go here start, you can check the history. We have outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, play football, ping pong, badminton, and rope skipping. Let's go to the first one, which was outdoor running. Press go. As you can see in the top, we have time, we have seconds going there. Next we have kilometer, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and pace as well. When you press finish, you can save or delete all your data. If you save, you can see all these data in the app, which we will see in the next video. So we saw the face unlock. As you can see, the Lem 12 sits really good in your hand. For some people maybe this will be too large, but again it sits really good and it has his present. You can see again the face unlock works perfectly. I don't think we have anything else to test. Let's see here. You can see the map. It's connected to the Google Map and it opens up immediately. We don't have Wi-Fi right now because that's why it's not opening. These leather and rubber bands sits really good, and the Lemfo 12 is great. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.